Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Middlesex County, south central Morris County, eastern Somerset County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:28 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located over Millington, or near Plainfield, and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Somerset, Edison, Carteret, Middlesex, Bound Brook, Far Hills, Society Hill, Millington, Colonia, Basking Ridge, Martinsville, North Brunswick Township, Woodbridge, South Plainfield, North Plainfield, Highland Park, Medicine, Bernardsville, and Denellen. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset. The severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Warren, southwestern Hunterdon, northwestern Mercer, southeastern Lehigh, north central Montgomery, Bucks, and southeastern Northampton counties is canceled.